moving circles on abdomen with 2 hands, and apply oil on it. Repeat 3 times. Rub the belly back and forth with 2 hands. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift the 2 sides of waist with 2 hands, doing it alternately. Repeat 16 times. Let the client lie on his side. Push from the side of waist to abdomen with 2 palms, doing it alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push downwards from the side of waist with 2 palms side by side. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Rub the entire waist side with 2 hands, moving circles alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push from the side of waist to groin and belly button direction with 2 palms, doing it alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Apply moderate gel on waist and abdomen. "40K fat dissolving techniques." One side. Lift from the side of waist to abdomen, and lift one line after another to groin. Repeat 3 times. Lift the other side. Moving small circles on abdomen. Repeat 3 times. Moving big circles on abdomen. Repeat 3 times. Moving Arabic numeral A shape on waist for sculpting. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Sculpt up and down on waist. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift belt vessel on both sides together with hands. Repeat 16 times. Remove the extra gel on waist and abdomen, and wipe and wash it with hot towel. Apply essential oil or RF cream unit on waist and abdomen. Vacuum RF massage techniques. Set energy parameters to the following. Let the client lie flat. Move the device up and down on the 2 sides of waist and massage. Repeat 3 times. slowly from the left side of waist to the right, and move it back and forth for 3 times. Set energy parameters. Let it climb, lie flat. One side, left from the side of waist to abdomen, and lift one line after another to growing. Repeat 3 times. Lift the other side, repeat 3 times. Coupled with the hands, pushing from the entire waist side to growing in 9 by 9 manner, repeat 5 to 8 times. Up and down on waist, repeat 5 to 8 times. Treat the other side.